Hi friends, today we are going to make designer blouse in synthetic fabric. This fabric is very delicate to handle. That's why we make design simple and elegant. As per the sketch, we are going to make hot neck with triangles of contrast color. Let's proceed for the cutting of this blouse back neck. We have kept ready the lining firma on main fabric. If you want to see how to cut back neck with measurement, you can see our previous video on playlist which is given in description. This blouse we have taken hot neck, which is simple and elegant also, in which we are going to add contrast color triangles. Our back neck cutting is done. Now we'll proceed to the stitching part of it. As per sketch, you can see cutting has been done. We have to attach these triangles, so we kept here ready in square these triangles, and this type we have to attach here in neckline. Now we have to take this square and fold it like this in triangle shape and join black and tomato red, both the triangles together, so that we can easily join it to the neckline. Now you can see your triangles are ready, which you have to attach it to the neckline of the blouse back. Now you have to join both the color triangle together with the same gap. You can do the marking first to your neckline where you want to place these triangles, and accordingly slowly you have to attach it from the right side of your blouse, so that you will turn it inside and attach the stripe over it, so it will be look neat and clean from inside also. You have to place this stripe over it. Give one small cut at the center of the neckline so that the stripe will easily go inside. From right side, now you have to stitch it again over your stripe at the edge of your blouse neckline so that it will move easily inside and look finished also. If you want, you can add one triangle at the center like this. Otherwise, you don't add it. You can see this neckline is ready. Simple and elegant, but look beautiful. From inside also it look beautiful because of this stripe added to it. If you like our this blouse design, like us, subscribe us and share it with your friends. Don't forget to watch our next video.